How to clean and grease an SV300 skid steer. When the skid steer looks like this, it needs to be power washed. Every element of this equipment is safe to power wash. This includes removing the nuts and bolts to drop the cab forward to power wash the inside and underneath where debris gets packed in. Now that you have properly cleaned the skid steer, let's identify what a grease fitting looks like. As pictured, a grease fitting is a metal valve connected to the equipment at a hinge point. When you are greasing it, be sure to remove all loose debris from the area to prevent a clog. Attach a grease bit to the grease fitting and firmly hold it in place. Each fitting should take 3 to 5 pumps of grease. Now that you know what you're looking for, let's identify the 18 grease fitting points on the skid steer SV300. The first thing to remember when greasing the skid steer, if you identify one grease fitting, there's another in the exact same spot on the opposite side. There are 6 grease fittings on the quick attach plate. In this image, the red markups are where you can locate these 6 fittings. There are also 3 grease fittings per each side of the lift arm for another 6 grease fittings to complete this section. The red markups are where you can locate these 3 fittings on each side. Remember, if you're identifying one fitting, there is an identical one on the opposite side that needs attention. Lastly, there are also 6 on the rear of the skid steer. The red markups are where you can locate these 6 additional fittings on the rear. Now that you have properly cleaned the machine, identified the 18 grease fittings, and learned how to grease these fittings, here's a short video on how quickly this process should take.
How many pumps does it get?
2 or 3.